show you how to make something what all parents hate but children love. But I think all your children have worked so well. All that work I keep seeing on Dojo is amazing. All the numeracy work, literacy work, the artwork, all the growing. So I think they all deserve a treat. Okay, and with it being warm, you can make it in the garden. So let's show you. Okay, so in here, I've just done it to shorten the video down, is PVA glue. And I've put some normal paint, just normal kiddie paint in to give it some colour. Just about until it's at the colour you want, okay? Small bits at a time, alright? However much glue you want to use to the amount of slime you want to make, okay? I've got some glitter, and I've just spoken to my granddaughter, who I used to call the Queen of Slime. She used to make 5 litres at a time, to ask her what she puts in it to make it nice and soft, because this is one I've made earlier. And she puts lotion in it, okay? So we're going to try it and see if we can make some nice slime, yeah? It's nice in your hands as well, guys. So first thing we'll do is put the glitter in, because I like to put glitter in mine. We'll put a bit of gold one in. As much as you want to put in, doesn't really matter, you don't have to put any in. It's up to you, okay? So there's the glitter in. We'll give it a stir in there, okay? Now, baby lotion, we're just going to add a bit at a time, okay? Because I'm not sure how much to put in. I put some in that one, but this much, I think. Yeah. We'll put that much in. Okay. Then our borax. Okay. Now borax comes. I got a big tub. Okay. It's powder. It's what they use to wash the clothes with, but you can get a proper slime one. Okay. This you just put a bit into a jug, mix it with warm water so it dissolves properly, and then it's ready to go. I put mine in here because sometimes you can put too much in, so I'm gonna squirt it in there. So hopefully, I don't want no thick slime that you can't, that snaps. It's not stretchy like this one. Okay, I want it nice and stretchy. All right, so go that bit off my hand. So let's start. So we'll put 10 squirts in there and give it a good stir around. Okay. I always say you can tell when slime's nearly ready because it starts to clean the bowl. It starts to come away from the bowl. I can see it's starting to get that consistency. We'll put 5 in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I can't tell you how much to put in because I don't know how much glue you've got. Oh. Not very popular when I've done this. Okay. So we'll pick that up when we've finished it. A bit more. Got 7 in that time. Okay. Might take a bit longer because it's got this lotion in there. Let me just move that out of the way a minute. Don't fall down the table. I'm going to show you a little trick at the end, just little things what you can do with slime instead of just sitting there stretching it and whatever with it. Okay, just going to put a bit more in. That's 10. Can you see it's now starting to, what I say, clean the bowl? I'm going to tip it out now because the best slime is the more you need it, okay? The more you need it, a bit back later, the better it is. Alright, now I always put a bit on my hands because I have warm hands and I don't want it to stick to me. Alright, I forgot to put my glove on because I've just had my nails done. She's going to murder me. Okay, put a bit in there. Even though I'm doing it on this white table, it will come off. Okay, well, need a bit more. good needs. Okay, mix it all together. It's great to make. It's lovely. Your parents might even like it. Okay, I'm going to put a bit more, then we'll put it on my hands. Stuff it in there. Can you see? Starting to clean my table off. Get them bits up that I splattered earlier. This is lovely. It's nice and stretchy. What you don't want is, you don't want it thick and it snaps like that. It will do that straight away. Okay, now I'm going to put a bit more lotion into it. Okay, just so we can get rid of that now. Put a bit more lotion. You don't have to put lotion into it, but if you do, make sure you ask your parents and make sure it's just a cheap little one. Okay, don't use no big time expensive cream. I mean, it does smell beautiful actually. This is just a body cream. It's just a body lotion. I got clean off my table. Oh my gosh, look at that slime. I forgot about the slime children at the front. So you can actually see that this is very slimy. Oh, it just picks up, look. Here we go, it's like the blob. Right, let's get back to our slime. So you've got to give it good kneads, okay? Can you see the glitter in it? Ooh, look at that. Amazing. And that's what you all want to hear, isn't it, guys? Now, I'm going to try and see if I can do this, what she used to do. Let's see which one works the best. We'll try this one first. It's just about to go down the table again. So let's try it. Now, she used to get a bat, my granddaughter, and she'd push it into the slime. I think I'm not meant to put my hands on there actually. Let's see. And that's not what's meant to happen, so let's do it again. Let's just try with one first. Okay. Hurry up. Okay, so I think that's because I pushed it onto the table enough. Okay, so push round. Don't push the slime down, just push round it. And pull it up very slow. It's still going to come up. Come on, work for me. You worked earlier. Tell you what, let's put this one underneath. Why is it not working? It never works. It's just like working with dogs. It says don't work with dogs because they never work right. Flatten it onto the table. Guys, it's not going to work. I'll just stop this video for a moment and I'm going to get back to you. I'm back. I'm going to try again. I've pushed it all together now. Right, let's have a go. So, it's worked. So I'm going to put it onto the table. Just do this with my fingers, okay? And get the bat and just gently push it down to about there. And then very slowly, I'm going to pull it up It's working. You can do it as high as you want to, and normally you get a bit more. Squirrel it round, and then this is the noise you all love. Squelch. Okay, let's try one more time. So stick it to the table. I'm dropping everything, but I've got the lid on the glitter. Now I'm doing this because I think to stick it to the table better. And then try and get a bit more this time. Then slowly pull it up. And cap it off. Square it round and squelch. I must say, putting lotion in this, one makes it smell lovely, but gives it that very, very much elastic look. You'll make some pretty cobwebs with this way. And that's time for me to go. See ya!